Kinesis Data Analytics Overview. Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics helps you transform and analyze streaming data in real time using Apache Flink. Apache Flink is an open-source framework and engine for processing data streams. Kinesis Data Analytics takes care of everything required to run streaming applications continuously, and it scales automatically to match the volume and throughput of your incoming data. Benefits of using Kinesis Data Analytics. Streaming ETL. Streaming extract, transform, and load applications, or ETL applications, helps you clean, enrich, organize, and transform raw data prior to loading your data lake or data warehouse in real time, producing or removing batch ETL steps. Continuous metric generation. With continuous metric generation applications, you can monitor and understand how your data is trending over time. Your applications can aggregate streaming data into critical information and seamlessly integrate it with reporting databases and monitoring services to serve your applications and users in real time. Responsive real-time analytics. Responsive real-time analytics applications send real-time alarms or notifications when certain metrics reach predefined thresholds, or in more advanced cases, when your application detects anomalies, using machine learning algorithms. Interactive analysis of data streams. Interactive analysis makes streaming data exploration in real time possible. With on-demand queries or programs, you can inspect streams from Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka or Amazon Kinesis data streams and visualize how data looks within those streams. Key features. Kinesis Data Analytics Studio. Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics Studio supports sub-second queries with built-in visualizations. Studio notebooks provide a single interface development experience for developing, debugging code, and running stream processing applications. Stream processing applications using Apache Flink. Kinesis Data Analytics applications continuously read and process streaming data in real time. You write application code in a language supported by Apache Flink to process the incoming streaming data and produce output. Then, Kinesis Data Analytics writes the output to a configured destination. Kinesis Data Analytics for SQL applications. With Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics for SQL applications, you can process and analyze streaming data using standard SQL. You can quickly author and run powerful SQL code against streaming sources to perform time series analytics, feed real-time dashboards, and create real-time metrics.